The Ingersoll Rand Co. 39195644 is a control head for an SSR-50 450 horsepower range compressor system. This system controls the compressor, and we received it dead on arrival. We received this repair as a rush since the customer needed the compressed air for his facility, and we did a very fast repair and return of this module. As shown in this video, after the repair, the unit powered up fully, and we were able to scroll through the various menus and screens, which adjust the various aspects of the compressor. We returned this unit within 3 days, and our customer was back up and running. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.